Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris and today we have a pretty interesting video. It's actually going to be about the world's first YouTube community token. It's called Expert Token. But before we get into any of that, just a reminder that I am not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. I'm simply a geek on the internet here to bring you different forms of entertainment. Sometimes it's going to be AI, sometimes it's crypto, sometimes it's Web3, sometimes it's things I'm just interested in, sometimes it's chair reviews. We do all kinds of stuff on this channel, but the important thing for you to remember is here at the top, I'm not a financial advisor. You should not be looking to me for financial advice. Just, make sure anything you see on here, do your due diligence. Take some time to do some research on it, and make sure that any kind of investments you plan to make are going to be good for you and you alone. Never let anyone on this side of the screen tell you how you should be spending your money, unless you find an actual financial advisor. That might be all right. That out of the way, we are actually going to jump into today's video. As I said, we are talking Expert Token or Expert Money. And so we're actually here on the main page, Stronger Together, Growing with Expert. Expert Token is a community-driven cryptocurrency with a strong ecosystem and a spirit of collaboration. They aim to add value to their community and grow together. Now, they do have a 936,000 24-hour trade volume and a 3.2 million market cap. So some big numbers there, but what is the Expert Token? Well, it is a community-driven cryptocurrency that is designed to bring people together and make opportunities of blockchain technology accessible for everyone. Community members benefit from contributing to the project and supporting the growth of the platform. So that said, we are actually going to take a look at the this video. They mentioned it to us. They have over 470,000 community. A big portion of that is coming from YouTube, and as it is a YouTube based community, they do have a video they want us to check out. I should also say this is being paid for by them, so a big shout out to them. Thank you for sponsoring this video, but let's go ahead and take a look at it. Cute old dude. So every month they have a token burn. Every single month. Oh. I'll give you one guess. Elon Musk. That's Doge. There you go. Community members strong across Twitter or X, Instagram, and YouTube. Expert Token, world's first community token. Nice. It's a pretty cool little video. Pretty interesting. So one of the biggest questions I'm sure you're asking is, how's it doing? Well, starting off over here over the past 3 months, it has seen a pretty good gain since November. It's gotten pretty good. It keeps kind of seeing a peak and dropping about down. It is kind of in a drop right now, but that might make it a good time to hop in if you're interested to do so, especially because that token burn is coming up soon. There's quite a few places that you can purchase it. To purchase Expert Money, you will need to register on a supported centralized exchange or a decentralized exchange, fund your account with crypto, and use it to get the trading pair to buy the token. And more details will be coming to CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. But going through their roadmap, they've listed on 3 decentralized, 5 centralized listings on CoinMarket and CoinGecko, burning of 150 millions with the locking of the 100 million team token. If you come here over to SoulScan, you can actually check and see that that $100 million is on lock, or 100 million expert is on lock, as they said. But here in Q1, they are soon to see a tier 1 listing coming soon, but also these listing on 2 centralized exchanges, the token burn that will be coming at the end of, well, every month, and then as well as a community airdrop to look forward to. They are also planning stake rewards, but yeah, so this is, you know, continued on the expansion of their community. They want to make it bigger, obviously. In Q2, you're looking at another token burn, organizing user events, community airdrop, applications to tier 1 exchanges. It's been saying all over a lot of places that they are getting close to a tier 1 exchange. And here you can see on January 31st, that is when the large portion of those tokens will be burned, lowering the supply and increasing the value. So if you are interested, now might be a good time to hop on before that burn takes place. And the YouTube channel itself is a very large channel in Turkey. We've got a big community, but obviously I'm not Turkish, but they do have a big following over there in Turkey. And here they have the breakdown of their tokenomics. 1 billion expert tokens is the maximum quantity that can be produced. Quantity is continuously decreased by the burning mechanism in order to preserve a balanced supply in use and raise the token's value. And so you can kind of see the total here and the breakdown of everything. So 5.4% is going to be allocated to the airdrops and 2.7% to staking, and then 8.1% allocated for burning, and then the planned burning amount, the total. So that's going to be a big portion, really trying to drive that price up. Here's their founder. I don't know that I would call that doxed, but having gained experience in the crypto market since 2016, Expert Para is now here with its own project. They do have you know, a lot of videos ranging back for quite a while, so you can definitely check out their videos if you understand the language. But outside of that, you can at the very least see the consistency of their project. But before we move on, did want to show these audits. Here you can see some very good scores from Cyberscope. 84% low risk with 96% score, and the percentile in 10%. So that's good to see. You definitely will want, you know, to make sure these guys are getting audited. That's always good. And they are also KYC verified. CoinScope verifies the identity of the project team members, so you can actually open the certification and look at that. But yeah, definitely one that I would check out, guys. Get a good look at it, see if it's something that you are interested in. With such a large community and a lot of people, you know, engaged with it, and that burn approaching fast, it could be a pretty big deal. It could really shoot up and make some people some money. But that's all I really have for this one. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. Let me know what you thought of that video. I thought it was kind of funny. It was definitely taking something. It was definitely having some fun with. They knew what they were doing. But that's all I've got for this one. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.